Of the top engineering schools around the world are using SolidWorks. We can give you the tools from middle school, through high school, through college, through graduate school, and into industry.
Education is very important because it will provide us a new generation of students that enter industry knowing how to apply state-of-the-art tools.
That was what excited me so much about SolidWorks, is I saw this creative energy that as an instructor I could give to my students.
We work with them to think about how to retool the engineering curriculum so that it features the use of modern 3D design tools and processes. We want students in the university level, in the secondary school level, to learn not just how to push the buttons of the CAD system, but to think in 3D, to understand how to apply a 3D design tool like SolidWorks to a new product design process in an industrial setting.
Using tools like SolidWorks, for example, students are able to much more quickly iterate on the existing design.
So the advantage of SolidWorks is basically one tool that allows us to do all these different tasks.
In SolidWorks, you can just, with the click of a button, it's really a matter of just making the changes and revising your model.
Since the addition of SolidWorks, the stuff that we've been able to accomplish and the things that we've been able to teach the students in both CAD and machine technology has increased tenfold.
Large prototype vehicles, robots, you name it, and they can do it right in SolidWorks.
We picked it up in a matter of weeks, and already the first day we started, we were modeling up simple parts and then moving on to more complex parts very quickly.
Personally, I've designed a Palm Pilot mold, which is part of the school curriculum. I ended up working on the actual Palm Pilot mold design myself.
The students can understand it very well, and I never have had any problems with any of the software. I can go in there every day, turn a computer on, and all of the students have the software to run.
We have easy-to-use software. We also have easy-to-use tutorials.
It's really a package that you can, knowing not much about SolidWorks or 3D solid modeling, jump right into it and stay one step ahead of the students. One example that you may see is a super mileage vehicle that the students developed from scratch using SolidWorks, using some of the tools that they're taught. And I check things and make sure they're safe and make sure they're right. But ultimately, they design and they build.
The training that they get at McCann Technical School using the software that we have is second to none.
It gives us a big jump on the engineering world.
I feel like my education is worth more because I know that it's actually going to be productive to other people.
Students should come out of school well versed in these technologies so that they can get to work immediately, thinking not about how to learn to use a CAD tool or a computer, how to wrestle with a computer, but how to do something productive for the companies they're being hired into.
I'm here to tell you about what works in the classroom and tell other teachers out there that don't be afraid to do it because it works.
SolidWorks has definitely pushed the envelope on what we as students are capable to do, and when we graduate, I feel as though we definitely have an upper hand.
And I think that's what makes us different. We can prepare students for college, and we can prepare students for work, for a career, not just for a job.